With respect to the murder of Praveen. Yet another murder that has taken place.
Praveen, Mittu. So in that case, the two persons who were arrested yesterday, they have been produced in the open court today, and the court has granted police custody till 3rd of August. We are going to question them, and 3 to 4 persons, there are other suspects who are connected to this case. So we are searching for those people. So we hope that in coming 2-3 days there will be more progress with regard to the investigation of the case. And last night the incident has taken place. In that connection also we have got clues. In next 2-3 days we hope that will carry.
Sir, any connection with the 3 to 4 that you are suspecting right now to be linked with PFI, SDPI as well?
See, Jackie is having a suspected link with PFI, but PFI or such organizations, they don't have any registered role or some that type of thing that you can. But we suspect that he has got links with PFI, and Safis also we are searching for that. So now for other persons we have to see what is their organizational connection. So after that we can decide and we can tell you decisively that what exactly is that organizational connection.
In yesterday's murder, the people who have so far been identified and called in for questioning, are those people linked to any political party or any religious?
No. Right now, see, the questioning is going on. I told you that we'll crack the case in 2 to 3 days.
So the family members have said that they used to get a threat. He used to get a threat call. Praveen used to get a threat call. The family members of Praveen are saying that, but police had ignored it. What the family has to say?
No. See, I have met family members. They are saying that 2 months back, probably Praveen had come to police station and they spoke to some constable. So we are trying to find out who exactly was the constable and what exactly was conveyed to him. So that we are looking into.
Possible links between these 3 murders that have taken place, Masood, Praveen and...
we cannot generalize.
Yes.
We cannot generalize.
Exactly.
Okay, but the only thing is that our top priority right now is to see that law and order is maintained in the district and administrate also. In that regard, from today 6 o'clock, morning 6 o'clock, there will be shops are closed, so that is a sort of night curfew for 12 hours till first or next 3 days. So that is our top priority, and we need to see that there is no further violence in Dakshin Kannada district or Mangalore.
सर हिंदी में सर